Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it. When you see this error on your Instagram, we will try again once there is a better connection. So how you can fix this error? So first thing, you need to close your app and open again. So this is the simplest way you can try. Another way you can try, just go to the settings, and in the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. If you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on mobile data again. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.